Hi everyone, this is Mia from miyamorlife, and in this video I just wanted to show you a quick haul that I got from Michaels. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button down below so we can be YouTube friends. The first thing that I picked up were these two paper pads. They're having a sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and these are the Strathmore marker papers. They're 24 sheets. And I got these specifically for the Copic markers because the Copic sketch pad I had, it was bleeding through. And I saw a review that said that this paper didn't bleed. So I guess we'll find out. But I got two of those. Next, I got washi tape. They were having a sale on all their embellishments and washi tapes. So I got two, they're both recollections. The first one just has some cameras on one side and film strip on the other. And this one I'm really just going to be using for my planner for when I have to film videos and edit them. I thought that was really cute. And then this one was more for weddings. This is crafting tape, and they had one that was this pretty pink pattern, and then I loved the aqua and pink rose pattern. Thought they were a nice little vintage set. So I got these two, buy one, get one half off. And finally, I got some cardstock. So the first one I got was this Blush Elegance. And this is from Recollections, and so is the other. This one is just a 6x6. I thought the paper was gorgeous. Like a rose gold copper. You can kind of see that. Then you have a light pink, more of a blush pink, a neutral, more of a tan neutral, another lighter blush pink, almost white, and then darker blush. So it's really two neutrals, three blush pinks, and one kind of rose gold, I'd say rose gold copper. It's not as rose gold as I thought it would. But I'm super excited to use this. If this is in your color scheme, I recommend waiting for a good sale on paper pads and then buying them. That way you have them for your invitations, if you're doing paper flowers, decorations. These are great. I also got a 12x12 because it was also on sale, and this is marbled neutrals, also by Recollections. And these are the 12x12. So you can see the colors. So the colors are similar, especially here. It looks like you have the same, and then a darker pink, rose gold, and this one you get the marbled, and you also get this kind of like a mauve-y color. This one has the marbled paper, then it has rose gold. It's pretty pink, rose pink, light, very light. The color is not showing up as well because this is it's much pinker than it's showing up. Then you have your neutral, which is more of a cream. It's not a white. And then you get your gray mauve color, but for some reason with this lighting, it's not showing up. But this one is the marbled neutrals, and then the small pack is the Blush Elegance. And I'm sorry for the lighting and the camera view. I am looking for a new lens for my camera, and so I had to film this on my phone. But I wanted to show you guys because they're having a sale right now, and I combined it with my Ebates. Right now it was only 1% at Michaels, but with the sale and the Ebates, it was a nice little stacking. So that's everything I got. Thanks for watching, and if you like these kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me and YouTube know that you are liking my channel and my videos. If you have any requests or projects you'd like to see me do with these items, definitely leave a comment, because every time I do a haul video, I then take requests from all of you and do a tutorial using one of the items I got. So leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see, and I will see you guys later. Thanks, guys.